2019 Toyota Highlander with brake replacement. Here is the parts and the tools that you need. I got my grease here, with a hammer, 14mm wrench, 17mm wrench, and this one is optional. Is to clean the hub. You can use a wire brush if you want. Something like this will do the job, just as well as this. Okay, and that's it. And we have the brake pad and holders here. Make sure you get the hardware separate. In the case of this vehicle, it doesn't come with the hardware. We're gonna have to reuse the old one. All right. So let's start by compressing our brake caliper. And you also need to flap this screwdriver like this. You're going to put it in the inspection hole like this, just like this. As you can see, I'm compressing the caliper. All right. There it is. Caliper fully compressed. Using a 40mm like. Wasn't that tight. You do the same thing at the bottom. There it is. And there is our caliper. We're going to put it on top like this, or you're gonna leave the caliper like this, or you can hang it with a bungee cord so it doesn't fall out, but over here it's pretty safe. All right, let's inspect our brake pads. I put it stuck. There it is. Let's see better days. Yep. Let's also inspect our slider pins. That one moves. Yeah. Now we're going to remove our brake caliper bracket. It is a 17mm. Here it is, 17mm. Let's break it free. Do the same thing at the bottom. All right, here's our caliper bracket. Going to clean those brake hardware, and we grease our slider pins. Now let's first remove our brake holder. We're gonna use a hammer like this and tap it on each side so it can come out. There it is. It's pretty much free. We're going to pull it out. Here is the old holder. The reason why it was so stuck is because of those brake dust right there. You see it? Right? That's what's doing that. It's stuck on the parking brake itself. So our next thing is we can inspect our parking brake while we add it. It looks like you got a lot of life left on them. Our next step is to clean the brake, the hub from the rust. I'm gonna use my favorite tool to do this job. Okay? Look much cleaner. Our next step is to put our new holder in. Retrieve the cover, fill you the cover expansion hole for the parking brake. There it is. We use a little pocket screwdriver like this to retrieve it. And we're going to put it there. There it is. Now we're going to clean our caliper. You can use a wire brush like this to clean it. Very good. All right. Our caliper is good now. We're going to re-grease our slider pins. Let's take them off. Here's that one. We're going to re-grease our slider pins. There it is. Perfect. And we're going to install our caliper bracket in. Perfect. Our next step is to transfer those two clips here from the old brake pad to the new ones. We're gonna use a pocket screwdriver like this to retrieve it. We're gonna put it underneath here so you can push it up. There it is. Do the same thing on that side, so. And to install it, we're going to put it that way. You can fit in this thing here, the little notch. There it is. Same thing with this one. Our next thing is to add some grease here at the bottom of it. Perfect. So let's install the brake pad. There you go. Same thing on the other side. There you go. Perfect. And we're gonna add a little bit of grease in the back of the brake pads. Alright. And now let's install our brake caliper. Alright, let's tie it down. There you go. Perfect, guys. Don't forget to pump your brake pedal. Don't forget to pump your brake pedal. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.